Hey guys, this is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I have with me a 2014 Harley Davidson Street Glide. It's got a nice vivid black paint job. Comes equipped with a fuel-injected 103-inch motor backed by a 6-speed transmission. It's got an upgraded 2-in-1 Vance & Hines exhaust. Sounds real good. Painted in a flat black. Got a nice 2-up touring seat with an adjustable driver's backrest. And you also got the quick detachable passenger backrest. Shorty antenna. Nice rear tire with a lot of tread. Just a beautiful, well taken care of bike. It's got your engine guard up here with a set of highway pegs so you can stretch your legs out while you're going down the road. Of course, you got your heel toe shifter. Nice front tire with plenty of tread to match the rear. It's got a Shorty tinted windshield. Looks about be 4 or 5 inches. Looks real good on this bike. And of course, you got your in-dash navigation. Looking at about 6,889 miles. I'll go ahead and start it up so you can hear that 2-in-1 exhaust. Starts up nice and easy. This bike has been through the service shop, so it is ready to ride. Has a real nice sounding exhaust. Also, I noticed you got some upgraded grips here. I'll try to walk around with you, see if I can point out any flaws or blemishes in the paint. Looks like you got some scuff marks right here on this latch for the right side saddlebag. I don't know how well that picks up. Rear fender looks nice and clean. Tank looks good condition. Looks like you got a few light swirls, scratches in the front fender. Looks like somebody took real good care of it. If you'd like to know more about this bike, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com to see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world, so it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for watching.